talk about how can you enable notification bar on your FastSend Tracker app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click in this sign. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification bar here. You come to next step here, just come here to a notification bar, just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's main notification bar enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watch.